Hello everyone. This problem is so beautiful that I had to make a video with it. So let's see this problem together. Let's make a coordinate for this triangle. To simplify the process, I am assuming the length of AB is 2 instead of 12, and then I multiply 6 later. So this triangle ABC is located inside a circle with the unit radius 1 unit circle. So let's say the coordinates for A are 1 and 0, and coordinates for B are minus 1 and 0. And C is also located on the unit circle. And for C's coordinate, I'm going to use an angle with the BC and x-axis. Let's say this angle is theta. In such case, C's coordinates are, because the hypotenuse of this right triangle is 2, two cosine theta and 2 sine theta. And let's make these two squares. So the first square ABXY, and the second square is ACWC. In this case, BW and AC are parallel because these two are also right angle. So this angle also makes theta. In such case, we can set up the coordinates for Z. So this x coordinate is 1 plus 2 sine theta and cosine theta. And for this y coordinate, because AZ, length of AZ is 2 sine theta, we are multiplying sine theta again for the y coordinate of Z. So it becomes 2 sine squared theta. And then we can change this theta to double angle. So that means 2 sine theta cosine theta is sine of 2 theta. And 2 sine squared theta is so cosine 2 theta is 1 minus 2 times sine squared theta. So 2 sine squared theta is 1 minus cosine of 2 theta. And the perpendicular bisector of YZ. And perpendicular bisector of XY. They meet at the center of the original circle. So we can make a big circle surrounding this XY ZW. Like this. So that means from the center to Z is equal to the distance from the center to Y. They are both the radius of the big circle. And Y's coordinate is 1 and minus 2. Because the big side length of the square, side length of the big square is 2. That means the radius of the big circle is square root of 5. So if we make the square root with this coordinate, the sum of the square will be equal to 5. So sum of these squares is equal to 5, the radius square. So if we open these parentheses, we have this equation, and because cosine squared and sine squared is equal to 1, we can simplify this expression. sine 2 theta minus cosine 2 theta is equal to 1. And we can make the squares again. Once again, sine squared plus cosine squared is equal to 1. And if we use the double angle formula again, this means 4 theta is equal to pi. So the angle we want is pi over 4, which is 45 degrees. So that means for these 4 points are surrounded by a big circle, the triangle should be the isosceles right triangle. So if this triangle is isosceles, because the hypotenuse is 2, and now we can extend the length of hypotenuse to 12. We know now ABC is isosceles right triangle. So that means the length of each leg is 6 times the square root of 2. So finally, the perimeter of this triangle is 12 plus 12 times the square root of 2. So the answer is C. So that's it for this video, and thanks for watching.